In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of flashing our new F&T firmware. Let's get started. First, navigate the FT flashing page. Here you will select your target firmware version, device's model, and hardware configuration, even the function as a repeater or terminal, and the collection way is on this page too. Please note that the flashing method depends on your device's MCU. We will cover the steps of both NRF and ESP32 platforms. If your devices use an NRF MCU, you must first manually click the download button to save the firmware file to your computer. Next, connect the device to your computer by USB and put it into bootloader mode. For the MeshCore T1, double-click the reset button to enter bootloader mode. For our other devices, just press and hold the user button, short press the RST button, and then release the user button. Once in bootloader mode, your computer will recognize the devices as an external USB drive. We advise you delete all of the files in drive and drag, then drop the download. For ESP32 based devices, you can flash the firmware directly through your web browser. First, connect the device to your computer and set it to bootloader mode. Then click to connect page and select the corresponding COM port. Verify your device model and firmware version. We highly recommend checking the erase flash option for well installed. Click flash and wait for the process to complete. Once successfully flashed, press the physical rest button on your device once to reboot it. And all above is the two ways to flash your device. Then to complete the setup, click connect on the web page. Select the correct port and then click active. Your device is now fully updated and ready for use. Thank you for watching.